who you are, what you eat, which food is good for you. Everything is a part of the Ayurveda. It's not just about herbs and treatments. It's about the ultimate you. Ayurvedic lifestyle is more potent than any modern medicine. At its core is keeping both the body and mind healthy. Located away from the stress and madness of the city, Maharshi Atreyi Health Center is the perfect place to begin your journey of the Ayurveda. Here, they don't just cure your body, they guide you to living the Ayurvedic way of life. The roots of this center can be traced long back in 1932 when Dr. Chandulal Pandya started his Ayurvedic practice. He was then joined by his son, Dr. Dinesh Pandya, in 1969. Dr. Dinesh went to open 2 more clinics before spearheading the Maharshi Atreyi Health Center. The present facility, which took shape in 2000, is located at Undera in the serene town of Vadodara. It is just 7 kilometers away from Vadodara railway station and 10 kilometers away from Vadodara airport. The Pandya family, who has an experience of over 75 years in Ayurveda, manages the center with utmost care.
We are getting patients from throughout the world with different problems, with different civilizations. When they come here, they all meet together and discuss about the Ayurveda. We teach them the way of life of Ayurveda. And after finishing the therapy, we are very happy to see the changes in their way of life and way of thinking also.
Spread across 30,000 square feet, the center houses 9 clean and comfortable rooms, equipped with all the necessary amenities. There are also 2 separate rooms for the Panchakarma therapy and a hall for yoga and meditation. The lush green garden and peaceful ambience isolate you from the stressful life. Each day at the center starts with yoga and meditation.
Meditation helps shut off the outside world. More than the body, it relaxes our mind. When our mind is relaxed, body automatically falls in line.
After coming here, I felt much better, much lighter. And yoga also, makes you more flexible and your mind is more free. And if you have stress or something, it relieves you a lot.
The Panchakarma therapy starts soon after the patients have had their breakfast. Panchakarma is a set of 5 systematic actions used for the purification of body. Using modern scientific criteria, along with their Ayurvedic assessment, allows them to chalk out a personalized treatment plan for every patient. At noon, the patients are greeted with 100% vegetarian and sattvic food.
આયુર્વેદનો બીમારી અંગેનો સરળ નિયમ એ છે કે શરીરમાં રહેલા 3 દોષોમાં જો વધઘટ થાય તો જો રોગ ઉત્પન્ન થાય અને પ્રકૃતિના વિરુદ્ધ ખોરાક લેવામાં આવે તો દોષોમાં વધઘટ થઈને શરીરમાં રોગો ઉત્પન્ન થાય છે. માટે અહીંયા દાખલ થયેલ દરેક વ્યક્તિઓને ખોરાક કેવો લેવો, ક્યારે લેવો એની વિગતવાર સમજ આપીએ છીએ અને હોસ્પિટલમાંથી અપાતો ખોરાક દરેક દર્દીઓના રોગો પ્રમાણે અલગ-અલગ તાજો બનાવીએ છીએ.
I didn't know much about the correlation between food and the Ayurvedic treatments. Through the lectures and everything, I found out that for healing, you follow certain type of food and it will really help you.
Again, in the evening, patients go through the Panchakarma therapy. The day concludes with the Ayurvedic lectures.
These sessions are on different topics like incompatible food, the knowledge of Ayurveda, Panchakarma treatment, suppression of natural urges, Rutucharya, Dincharya. These all aspects are so common and generally they are missed by a lot of people. So these lecture sessions helps them to stay healthy even when they go home after getting treatment.
From the lectures that they give here, that has put my mind straight. Now I have a better picture and more confidence to refer other people here and explain how they treat. Because they don't just treat the disease directly, they have to work with your mind.
આયુર્વેદને લગતું ડિટેલ નોલેજ એમની પાસે દેખાયું ત્યાર પછી અમને એવું વિશ્વાસ આવ્યો કે જે લોકોના હાથમાં આપણે જઈ રહ્યા છે એ ખરેખર આ વિષયના નિષ્ણાત છે.
Keeping the convenience of patients in mind, the doctors of the Maharshi Atreyi Health Center also consult them at a clinic located in the heart of Vadodara. Patients visit the clinic to receive Ayurvedic treatment for chronic and autoimmune diseases. May it be body or mind, relaxation is the buzzword at the Maharshi Atreyi Health Center, because for them, Ayurveda is much more than just herbs.